Friends, we are continuing exercise 17C. Now we can start question number 24. In the given figure, AD is a diameter, O is the center of the circle, AD is parallel to BC and angle CBD is equal to 32 degree. Find first one OBD, second angle AOB, third angle BED. Given AD is the diameter, AD is parallel to BC, also given CBD is equal to 32 degree. Since AD is parallel to BC, CBD will be equal to BDA. This BD is the transversal, so these two are alternate angles. So BDA will be, this angle is 32, so this angle also will be 32. Which one? BDA also will be 32. Why? Because CBD and ADB are alternate angles given BC is parallel to AD. So BDA is equal to 32 degree. OA, OB, OD are the OA, OB and OD are the radii of the circle. So opposite angles will be equal. Angle opposite to that a particular side, that a radius will be equal. Since angle BDA is equal to 32, since angle BDA is equal to 32, instead of BDA we can write it as BDO also as 32. BDO also as 32 degree. OD is equal to OB, these two are the radius. So angle opposite to that side will be equal. So these two sides are equal, these OB and OD are equal. So angle opposite to this and angle opposite to this side will be equal. So this angle will be 32 degree. So what is that angle? OBD will be 32 degree. OBD. That is our first part. OBD is equal to 32 degree. Next we want to find out AOB. Second part is AOB. For finding AOB, look at ADB. ADB we got it as 32 degree. So AOB is the central angle. So what about AOB? AOB will be 2 times AD. 2 times ADB. ADB we have 32. So AOB will be 2 into 32, that is equal to 64 degree. Consider triangle AOB. We know OA is the radius and OB is also the radius. So angle opposite to that particular side will be equal. That is, this angle A will be equal to this angle B. That is, OAB will be equal to OBA. This OAB will be equal to OBA, since what? OA and OB are the radius of the circle. So consider, if you are considering triangle AOB, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle AOB, this angle, plus OAB, this angle, plus ABO, this angle, sum is 180 degree. Angle sum property, we will say it as angle sum property. So 64, AOB is 64 degree, plus OAB and OBA are same. So instead of ABO we can write it as OAB itself. So OAB plus OAB is equal to 180 degree. So 64 plus 2 angle OAB is equal to 180 degree. So 2 angle OAB is equal to 180 minus 64 is equal to 116. So angle OAB is equal to 116 divided by 2, which is equal to 58. Look at OAB. OAB we got it as 58 degree. OAB we got here as 58 degree. Now we got OAB is same as what? DAB. DAB. That is same angle, no? 58 degree. DAB. We can say instead of DAB, we can say that angle as BAD also. So BAD is also 58 degree. Same angle A is there. So we can say instead of BAD, we can say it as BAD as 58 degree. Look at BAD. BAD is 58. We want to find out BED. BED. BAD lies in this segment BD. BED also lies in this segment BD. We have BAD is 58. So BED also will be 58. What is the reason? Angles in the same segment are equal. So BED is equal to 58 since what? BAD is equal to 58 degree. We can write BED also as 58 degree. So that we want to prove angle BED we want to find out. Okay. Thank you.